Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Tough On MagFold 3-in-1 wireless charger. I will go over specs, feature, and then show it in use. I have included the link in the description below for the product, so let's take a look. It comes with a nice storage case, and inside you'll find a 30-watt power adapter, USB-C charging cable, the quick start guide, and the wireless charger. Going over some specs, this is a 3-in-1 wireless charger, 15 watt max wireless fast charging, foldable design, 180 degree or 65 degree. It's compatible with MagSafe cases, iPhone 12 and later, AirPods, and Apple Watch. 5 to 15 watt output for phones, 2.5 watt output for Apple Watch, 5 watt output for the earbuds. Taking a look at the charger, it has a compact design and it feels solid. You have the branding on the front along with the wireless charger right above that. On the back, you have the USB-C connection for the power. The bottom has 4 rubber non-slip pads. And as mentioned, you can change the angle from 180 degrees to 65 degrees if you want to use it more of a stand while charging. The back, you have the AirPods charging area. And for the Apple Watch, you have the arm that swings out so you can charge it. Taking some measurements, it comes in at about 4 inches by 2.5 by 1 inch. It weighs in at roughly 204 grams. So let's test it out. Here I have an iPhone 15 in an OtterBox MagSafe case. You can see it has no issues charging as I place it on top. The magnet is strong and it grabs on fast. And it even holds the phone with no problems if I tilt it to the side. Folding it up, it charges with no issues either. And on the side, you can see the LED status. Having the phone in the landscape orientation will work as well. Again, if you have an Apple Watch, it's very easy to charge. Just swing the arm up. Placing the AirPods case in the back, you can see it charge quick. And placing the phone on the stand, both devices are now charging. So that's a quick look at the portable and compact charger for your devices, the Tough On MagFold Qi2 3-in-1 wireless charger. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.